In this practice, we're going to use mindfulness to care for our feelings of loneliness. So wherever you are, whether you're sitting parked in your car, or in your home, or somewhere else, get comfortable and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax into it. Take a few more nice deep breaths here, and as you do, feel yourself relaxing into your body. The feeling of loneliness is something we've all dealt with. As humans, we crave connection, and when we lack that connection, we may start to feel isolated and alone. So in this practice, we're going to use our mindfulness to look at these feelings and understand them. Take a moment to acknowledge the seed of loneliness within you. And know that this seed is not just inside of you, but it's also inside of everyone you see around you. As you breathe in, say silently to yourself, "I see my loneliness." And as you breathe out, say silently to yourself, "I share it with the world." Feel these words sink deeper into your understanding with each breath you take. The whole world is sharing this loneliness with you. Just like the world can't see what we feel, we can't see what the world feels. So we assume we're alone in these feelings. But really, these seeds of loneliness are inside of each and every one of us. Continue saying to yourself, "I see my loneliness. I share it with the world." It's important to know that there's a big difference between being lonely and being alone. We can physically be alone and feel extremely connected to the world and to ourselves. And on the other hand, we can physically be surrounded by people we love and care about, but feel isolated and lonely. If we can understand these feelings, we can begin to care for them and water the seeds of connection and wholeness within us. We've lost our sense of connection to the world and to ourselves because we've convinced ourselves that we're not whole as we are. We've been watering the seeds of loneliness with thoughts and beliefs telling us that we need someone else next to us to feel connection or love. We've convinced ourselves that a physical connection with someone else will act as a key to unlock the door to our heart and allow us to experience a sense of wholeness. But the truth is, the door is unlocked. It always has been, and it always will be. All we need to do is realize it. When we look with mindfulness, we will see that when we lack this feeling of wholeness, no amount of love from another person will ever be enough. This is why we can be surrounded by others but still feel so alone. When we understand our loneliness in this way, we can begin to transform it. As you breathe in, say silently to yourself, "I am whole." And as you breathe out, say silently to yourself, "Exactly as I am." Feel your heart becoming more open with each breath you take. Now as you breathe in, say silently to yourself, I am connected. And as you breathe out, say silently to yourself, to the world. Feel this connection in your heart as you understand that you and the world around you are not separate. And go deeper with each breath you take. There may be times in our life where the seeds of loneliness start to sprout. But with mindfulness, we can sit and understand these feelings. We can come back to the fundamental truth of our wholeness and connection to everything. Remember this truth. Take it with you into the rest of your day. And feel free to come back to this practice whenever you feel the need to. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes.